What I've done here is quickly sketched in a cube what I think it might look like in 3-point perspective. I'm going to take the top face as being fairly correct and the side lines here. Draw back from the top face here where it crosses the horizon. I'm expecting it to be a vanishing point, so let's have a look, check the other one. From this one back here, there where that crosses, that's going to be another vanishing point, and down here and down here, and where these two cross is going to be my third vanishing point. And these create a triangle. I'm just going to draw in the rest of the triangle. Each one of these lines can be thought of as an horizon. What we're going to do though is find our station point for the first horizon. So we're going to look up from the nadir right to this horizon, and we're going to find a series of diagonal vanishing points for each horizon, so we can draw in a corner of the box. And I'm expecting our diagonal vanishing point to be somewhere around here. We know our station point is going to be somewhere on this station line, which I've drawn in, or the gravity line, some people call it. One way to find out our station point is to find a 90-degree angle. Remember, between two vanishing points it forms a 90-degree angle. A quick way of doing that, like we've done with 2 point, is to draw a circle starting on the horizon which coincides with the two vanishing points. So the centre of the circle is on the horizon. You can do this with a compass. I'm just doing it with a shape here. Where this crosses our gravity line is going to be our station point. So I'm going to draw two lines back to the vanishing point, and that gives us a 90-degree angle there. What we need to do now is draw back at 45 degrees to find the diagonal vanishing point. So there's quite a handy tool in Photoshop called the ruler tool. What we can do with this, you have to hold Alt down, drag from a point here to the station point, and then because we held Alt we can drag another line, and if you look right at the top up here, there is a angle meter, so you can drag out a ruler to draw that onto the line there just for the time being. You can then draw in a line to mark off your diagonal vanishing point, because that will snap to the ruler like that. So that is our diagonal vanishing point for that horizon. Okay, what we need to do now is do the same for each horizon and find the vanishing points for that. So what I'm going to do is rotate the canvas round like this, put my two lines on straight on this horizon, and I've dimmed down all my other construction lines. So what we're going to do is find a 90-degree line from there. So I'm just going to draw a couple of lines at 90 degrees to one another, holding shift down, and shift again, Control T to rotate those round. Line that up with the top horizon. That gives me my gravity line. So I'm just getting the circle in position. Make sure it's, if you press Control T, you can make sure it's at least in line with the horizon. So this now gives us our station point here. Drawing lines back to the vanishing point gives us an angle at 90 degrees. We want to draw at 45 degrees. So what I'm going to do is draw a 45-degree triangle. Control T. Be aware that you with this one, you don't, when you're transforming it, make sure you put the centre down here, hold shift down and Alt. That gives us our new diagonal vanishing point, and we need to do the same with the next horizon. So rotating back round, press R. That's my new station point. So now I've got my third diagonal vanishing point.